Hey everybody, welcome back to another laundromat review video. In this video, I'm reviewing the nicest laundromat I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of nice stores, huge stores, excellent design, but this laundromat has everything. It's highly rated too on Google. It's a 4.9 out of 5 stars with over 150 reviews. This laundromat definitely has it going on, but we'll see. We'll go through the video and see if we can see any improvements, but this is definitely, what you want to strive for in a laundromat. So, I've seen the images and videos from the store before because Coin Laundry USA's channel, he actually built the store, and he's been showing videos of it the last couple years, of the progress of it being built, and they just opened up last summer, I believe. So, I'll leave the link down below to some of the builds that he was showing you on, so you can see how the store was built. But let's get started. Let's check out some videos and pictures of the store, and I'll make my comments on it. So for this video, I'm not going to play the sound because they're just talking about the store. I want to just focus on the interior design of the store, and I'll stop it too. Man, look at that. Nice and neat. TVs in the wall. Plenty of space. Huge glass front. Nice clean ceiling. Mosaic tile right here. You ain't gonna run out of washers here. $5. These are 4-loaders, 40-pound machines. Tons of them. Tons of TVs. I'll link this description down below too if you want to watch the profile from. This is from Hipsh, the official Hipsh channel. So they got fans everywhere. This is Texas. I'm sure they got AC too. Let's see some more of the store. Yeah, every single machine is a card reader. Dual coin drops. Oh, here's Arthur.
New investors, over 100 years worth of experience in building vended laundries, finding a location, doing demographics, competitive analysis, all that stuff.
I love the washers and dryers. They are just amazing.
These bright green machines, they're just so bold. So I just started having fun with it and working the green in all over the place.
They are beautiful machines.
And we have a pretty store.
With the technology from Hipsh, you were able to control your utilities a lot better than the competitors. So these customers are able to remotely operate their store via their cell phone. They can do everything remotely.
Every brand can do that. You can do a Dexter, Speed Queen. But let's see. The double changer. This is kind of a weird setup. So they have the double changer, and then they have a single changer, and then bill-to-bill exchanger, and then their card program. I feel like it's an odd choice. Why not go with the two of the same size machines, or even the same decals on the front?
And know when it's time to collect money, things like that.
We go in there and check on our iPhone. We're able to do reprogramming of prices. It's really great to have that right there.
We want to be very clean. I mean, when customers walk through the door, we want to give them a very good experience. Just a really nice place for the community to come and do their laundry.
It's great to be able just to provide the community with.
Built these giant 2-story kid fun centers.
Be about it.
Well, I think in 5 years.
If I had to find one thing that I didn't like about it, it's probably the parking situation. I know from the previous videos I watched, they have parking here, they have parking in the back at 2 entrances, but I feel like parking here is kind of limited. A store this size, you need at least 30 to 50 parking spaces, and you're gonna have like 8. I'm sure there's another business right here. We'll pull it up on Google Maps and check out how much parking they have. But that might be the one
We would have multiple locations. We have our pickup and delivery service in multiple states.
I mean, I could see 50 delivery vans. I could see multiple locations. We're even talking about satellite locations in Lolly.
Okay, that's more of their plan. So let me pull it up on Google Maps, see their parking situation, and we'd see more about their store. Okay, this is the outside, kind of just what I thought. They have the driveway to the back of the store, and then this is the other side of the plaza. So they have one handicap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they got to share with this check and cashing place. That's definitely not enough parking. Over here, there's no parking at all. So let's go around to the back of the store and see if I can do it on Google Maps. See what the parking situation is back there. Okay, so this building goes way back. That's nice. Looks like they have the dryer vents covered up like that. Normally you see the big ugly 9-inch or 8-inch vents coming out. Let's see what the parking situation is in the back. All right, a little more spots. Let's see here. Oops. So this is the back entrance. 1, 2, 3. Then some handicap spots. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think that the biggest obstacle that these guys are going to face is parking. Even in the street view, every single spot's taken. Not over here, but all the close spots. People don't want to walk. They want the spots. They want close spots. Let's see. Turbo laundry. They redid the back too. They got plenty of doors, automatic doors. Yeah, they went, oh, this place is nice. Let's look at some of the pictures from the inside. Yeah, this almost looks like a concept store. And make me a little smaller. You know, just how nice it is. They do wash and fold, pick up, delivery. This looks like a delivery van. The Hipsch washers are really nice looking. The stainless steel fronts. We can walk through the whole store. I was curious to see. They have so many washers with their seating areas. So they got a couple chairs there, a couple chairs here. This looks like their wash and fold area. I can't go that way. Couple chairs here. I'm assuming this is before they opened. They got to have way more seating than this. They have 7 chairs in here. On a busy Sunday, there's going to be 45 people in here. All the carts everywhere. Looks like there's a couch or something here. Can't really see. Yeah, I'd be surprised if they didn't have seating here. Like the backlit logo. See if there's any customer photos. Oh, here we go. This is the space before they did anything. Look at this. Well, they did a really nice job on this store, so. Okay, let's check out the reviews real quick and we'll wrap this one up. Like I said before, 4.9 out of 5 stars on Google. I think the next highest one I've ever reviewed was a 4.6, but good job, good job. Perfect. Clean, staff was helpful. If we review it by lowest, I'm sure there's some 1-star reviews. Horrible management. Does not explain anything. Probably 1 review. This is only review. Is this place too? Place is new and clean, but machines are more than down the road. Looks like they overcharged this guy's card. Decided not to go. Still gets a bad review. Nothing. 4 stars. 4 stars. A lot of positive stuff to say about this place. Okay, I'll wrap up the video here. Like I said before, if you go on Coin Laundry USA's channel, he has all. Let me get this cat out of the way. He's got all the videos of them building the store, so you can actually see what takes place behind the scenes, see the mechanical rooms, and just see all the steps needed to, build a place like this. But I appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll see you next time.